How to enable two-factor authentication on your Concentra Bank online. Hello guys, welcome to this quick tutorial on setting up security features in your Concentra online banking account. First thing you have to do is log into your account. You can access your Concentra online banking portal with Concentra Hub, or you could just directly log into it using your username and password from your dashboard. Then you can open the settings or profile menu, navigate your security settings, and look for a section on account settings labeled security or account settings. Then you can find the two-factor authentication option here. Look for an option called security settings or multi-authentication. Select it and then choose how you'd like to receive your codes, either by text messages, email, or through an authenticator app. You can follow the prompts to verify and enter your contact details to complete the setup. Now, once you've set up your code, the next step is to set up security alerts. You could also save some backup codes. If you are offered some backup codes, you can download the code securely, or you could just write it down somewhere. And then once you have done that, uh, about the alerts, you can see that common options include login alerts, password changes, and large withdrawals or new pay setup. You can select your preferred delivery method like SMS, email, or app notification so that you are up to date with your activity on your online banking. Once you've saved changes, you can double check that your contact information is up to date since the alerts and FA codes will be sent there. And then you could just go ahead and successfully set up the 2FA on your Concentra Bank. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.